everybody, welcome aboard. We're going over to fabulous Newark Liberty International Airport where it's 99 degrees and 100% steamy, hot, humid. So you're leaving hot and humid, you're going to hot and humid. They're saying it's going to even be hotter tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be one of the hottest days in August. But I digress. At this time, everyone should be seated with their seatbelt securely fastened. Tray tables and seat back should be up and locked. Any and all items at your feet should be stowed completely under the seat in front of you. We're going to be coming through the cabin shortly to make sure everybody's in compliance. We're going to be conducting a safety demonstration. All I ask is give me 2 to 3 to 4, maybe 5 minutes to give you a safety briefing. Please give us your undivided attention. We thank you.